Okay, so this is amazing. Originally, the plan was that I was gonna take part in vlogmas. If you've never heard of vlogmas, it's just where the days before Christmas, you're just vlogging every single day. And you know me, I don't post every single day, ever. Morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Good.
We got a very special box today. Oh yeah. Oh boy, am I pumped. Okay, I guess these are just super hard to open, but I don't care because I've waited 2 years to see what I'm about to see right now. I'm glad you get to watch it with me. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Whoa, crazy. Okay, so this is amazing. It's kind of hard to explain. I've gone through so much crap to get these things made, and here they are. I've waited and waited and waited and put in effort and learned and failed and more learning and more failing, and now they're here. I'm so excited about what this means. Back in the day, the way that it was if you bought dope new toys like Transformers or whatever, all the little missiles and guns and stuff would come on a little like a grid, and you had to snap them off, and you're excited because you're about to get to play and go nuts. That was right now. Let's turn them on, see what they look like. So what does this mean for me and you and, I don't know, my customers that are waiting for me to finish projects? What it means is that I'm gonna be very busy working on a lot of GTR headlights. So the content you're about to see is gonna be a lot of stuff that I shot within the past few weeks with the guys at Throttle and TJ and Calvin and Dustin. And I'm gonna keep rolling out videos because we banked up a lot of footage specifically so that while I'm doing nonstop GTR lights to get a lot of old jobs finished, you're gonna keep getting new content, new how-tos, and I'm gonna continue to make new videos as well that are not for GTRs, but I really have to get a lot of work done. Also, one other really cool thing is if you are a builder and you wanna get working on GTR lights, now is the time. I have parts that will be amazing for you. It's gonna help you a ton, save so much time because I can't tell you how big of trouble I get myself into because I sell my time out more than I have time to sell. You know, like that's the problem. People are always like, oh, that's a good thing, you're busy. Yeah, but not if that means you've got a bunch of angry customers, you worked 15 years to build a company brand and reputation. There's just gonna be a bunch of stuff that happens. I mean, that's part of business. It's failure. It's me not being able to deliver on stuff that I've sold because it takes too long. So a big change that I made about 2 years ago was I started telling people that we were gonna get these new parts made, and it took 2 years. It was not supposed to. It was supposed to take like, I don't know, 3 months, 6 months, something like that. And now we finally have what I've been dreaming of having for all this time. It's just been ruthless. And that's all my fault because I'm the one that runs the business. I'm the one that has had these interactions with different companies and individuals. And at the end of the day, that just means that my shortcomings are what made it take 2 years. Not just that I paid somebody and it took that long for them to deliver on it. So the lesson here is if you are really believing in something hardcore, there's 2 ways that you can go about it. The first one is you do everything ahead of time. You invest your own money, you invest your own time, you get things ready so that if it takes off, you're already prepared and good to go. Or the probably less advisable way to do things and kind of the cowboy way of doing things is design on the fly. You know, just wing it. Just try to get the right people involved at the right moments. And if it is gonna take off, you'll know because people will be throwing their money at it. I really don't suggest taking a bunch of people's money for stuff that doesn't exist yet. At the same token, it's just not practical to put all your eggs in one basket, tie up all kinds of money that you may or may not really have to tie up, just to hope that maybe somebody's gonna like it. I don't really know the best way to go about producing new parts because I'm just kind of a novice at it myself. So I can make things custom one-off, but when it comes to production runs, I'm learning and I'm sharing with you as I go. So I hope this is helpful, just at least be sharing my personal experience with you if you are ever interested in doing something similar, but it's scary, I'll tell you that. All right, well, that was a pretty successful, exciting day here at the shop, and I gotta go home and work on Christmas lights. I wanted to do something cooler than this, but if I do, I'll have to buy some parts on Amazon and then show you how I install them on my house. Yo!